Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. So I hope you're having a great weekend, and let me show you what took place in the trade room. Flash manufacturing has been one of my favorite trades and favorite events that doesn't have a DMM. I've been trading it for years, and in fact, we're going to rectify that and have a DMM for it next month. It's been trading really well. We even showed a setup in the trade room going back to 2020 in the middle of the pandemic, and the trade actually hit the first target and worked. So, very interesting how long this event has been a good trade in the trade room. Now, coming up to today, I had a bond setup and a gold setup. I was watching gold. I was concerned over something that happened overnight in the European markets. And let me show you what I'm talking about. If we take a look at three flash manufacturing trades that took place overnight, the French trade had mixed news. The manufacturing was negative, the services positive. The German version of the same flash manufacturing report also had negative manufacturing news, positive services. And then there was a British version of the same report. Same thing. Negative manufacturing, positive services. And also, I just noticed there was a Euro version, Eurozone. Same thing. Negative manufacturing, positive services. All three of the events that we watch, French flash manufacturing, German flash manufacturing, and British flash manufacturing, they all were whippy, not very good trades. So I was a little bit concerned that if the US data also had mixed volume, maybe we'd have a whippy kind of trade. But also, I feel very comfortable with this flash manufacturing trade. It's worked so well. So here's what happened. The news comes out, bonds push to the downside, and you could see right here where my cursor's flying around, all three elements that make up the event, services positive, manufacturing positive, and the composite was positive. So we had no issue, no worrying about mixed news and a whippy kind of trade. We had an easy $200 profit. Members that traded the gold setup, which took place on the right chart, bonds were on the left, had a great setup as well. Gold did fantastic. Bonds did fabulous. An excellent, excellent trade of the week, flash manufacturing services, but a good lesson in understanding that sometimes the European news can have an effect on the US news. In this particular case, it did not. You could see gold exploded down, bonds had a nice move. If I was patient, I could have made even more money. An excellent trade of the week this week, US flash manufacturing. Hope you all are having a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week's Trade of the Week. This is Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room.